Hi there, Chris Bench for HelloCollege, and today I want to talk to you about prompt 6 for the Common App personal statement. And that prompt reads, describe a topic, idea, or concept you find so engaging that it makes you lose all track of time. Why does it captivate you? What or who do you turn to when you want to learn more? I think that this is a great topic, particularly for kids that have real passion about some topic, some sort of area where they can really show their expertise. And that can be in any number of different domains. It can vary from maybe you want to talk about, hey, you're a fantastic guitarist, and I want to discuss how I learn new chords and new playing styles, new techniques. Maybe you want to write about how you go out and collect samples from local ponds and keep big old aquariums full of samples where you grow these different samples and then look at them under the microscope. Maybe your passion is differential equations and you just love solving differential equations and want to talk about how you learn new techniques for solving math problems. Doesn't really particularly matter the topic so long as you're passionate about it and so long as you are constantly going out and trying to learn more. One of the best versions of this essay that I've ever read was a student who wrote about his tennis serve. This kid was a nationally ranked tennis player at the time. And he wrote about this very tiny action, this thing that takes probably less than 2 seconds from beginning to end. And he broke it down into all of its different components. He talked about how he would vary the serve. He would shift how his grip, how he gripped the racket. He would shift the precise angle at which he hit the ball. He would shift whether or not he was pressing off more with one foot or the other. And he could tell you what the downstream consequences of each of these little decisions that he made was. He discussed how he learned each of these different techniques. This one he got from a YouTube video. This one he got from a coach. This one he figured out on his own. By showing us how he was able to take this complicated, almost instantaneous sort of action and break it down into its different parts. How he could so acutely analyze the different components. We got to see a really brilliant mind at work, and we got to see somebody who was deeply passionate about his craft, who was always seeking to improve and always seeking out new sources of information and new resources in order to deepen his knowledge about something about which he was very passionate. A great topic, prompt 6. If there is something in your life that you have great passion for, that you care about deeply, that you are always trying to improve on, this is the prompt to choose to show that dedication.